really good. They're flaky. Quite tasty, folks. I need some biscuits to go with my dinner tonight. 2 cups of flour. In my sifter, I have some Hain baking powder that has no sodium in it. Healthy Heart Market, Hain purefoods.com, and I think Amazon probably has it. Keep this in my freezer. Extends the shelf life a long time. I've had that quite a while and it's still good. So sift this stuff together. Add a stick of unsalted butter. Pastry blender until it looks kind of like coarse pieces. Now let's see what I gotta do next. Okay, 3/4 cup of milk. Okay, mix it up with my fork. I'm just going to sneak over here and get the little cup or glass that I use for biscuits. It's a 2.5-inch glass. Works real well. I need this in here a little bit. Just a little. Then I need a little flour on my cutting board. Smack them down a little. I never know exactly how many biscuits I'm going to end up with. Usually I get 12. I've got this nifty little air fryer over here, and I've never done biscuits in it before, but I've got them cooking, ready to go. So I thought I would just stick some in my air fryer, see what happens to them. It's okay if they all aren't exactly the same shape. I got 13. My total is 90 milligrams of sodium. So, I'll stick these in my oven. We're not greasing the cookie sheet. But I think I'm going to take maybe 3 of these and put them in my air fryer. I'm just curious. We started off with 13. We only have 11 left. Well, sure good. I was at my sister's house, California, last week, and there was 3 of us sisters, and we made pomegranate jelly. So that's what we had on our biscuits. They're really good. They're flaky. Quite tasty, folks. Less than 7 milligrams for these because I got 13 biscuits out of 90 milligrams of sodium. That's just not bad for a bread. They're quite good. The air fryer one turned out good too.